nice glow in the city early this morning. All is fairly tranquil as we await our first raindrops of the day. 55 right now in the city. Northeast wind, 10 miles per hour. Nor'easter, we got it coming. 10 miles for our visibility, 30.18. Our pressure has dropped a bit, but it still is fairly high. So that'll be an interesting aspect as this rain precipitation shield kind of pushes further northward. It'll be combating more of that high pressure. So initially, it's not going to have a great time as it does traverse further north across our region. But the clouds are here. We did have a little bit of some clearing through the overnight. Let's get right into it, though, with our Storm Team 10 weather alert and this weekend storm, of course, lingering into tomorrow, the long weekend. Period steady rain. Becoming heavy at times through tonight, 1 to 3 inches possible, locally higher amounts, high wind and surf as well. Tonight, gusts pick up 30, 45 miles per hour, higher at the coastline where we could be close to 60 miles per hour. On Block Island, 12 to 17 foot waves. The 10 to 15 today actually could be close to 19 heading for tomorrow. Coastal flooding, we got a minor coastal flood threat, a coastal flood advisory for today. It's really tomorrow, though, we're kind of honing in on those tides right around 2 a.m. and 2 p.m. Now, here's a look at our marine alerts. These have been upgraded from yesterday. Storm watches, gale watches now upgraded to warnings. We've got the gale warning for Narragansett Bay alongside Buzzards Bay. That does include parts of the Vineyard Sound. And then this storm warning, which is the more severe of the two, for Block Island, all those offshore waters with those very, very large swells. And we can see them already this morning. 8 feet off of Block Island, 7 feet closer to George's Bank, and 9 feet off of Long Island. Let's take a look at 11 a.m. today. Heading through the late morning, middle of the afternoon, that's when the rain really overspreads the region. Last ones to see it will be up towards Woonsocket, but North Kingstown, Wakefield, Tiverton by 3 p.m. this afternoon. We're expecting a steady rain. Won't be the heaviest rain, but there could be a few embedded downpours. It's really through the overnight where this rain starts to pick up in intensity. More of the oranges, a few reds popping up here. As we head for tomorrow morning, the models have actually been a little bit lesser in terms of intensity of the rainfall, but very strong winds, off and on rain showers, and a few of those embedded downpours still continue throughout much of the day Monday. Now, the rain's not done, even as we head for our Monday afternoon evening. This low pressure system not really moving a whole lot, so we're sticking with these rain showers scattered about the region as we continue for our Monday night through our Tuesday first half of the day. I do think by Tuesday afternoon things start to clear and we see a little bit more sunshine as we gear up for our Wednesday. Rainfall totals 1.5 to 3 inches. Not seeing a whole lot of change in the forecast within the past 24 hours, and of course want to make sure we're clearing all the storm drains for any of those leaves that could have already fallen so far this year. Now, we have a high wind warning for the Vineyard, Nantucket, as well as Block Island, a wind advisory for the Cape, and that's where the winds will be strongest down to the south, 50+ miles per hour. That does include Block Island. I do think that parts of West Bay could be getting above 40 miles per hour with a little bit of some leaves on the trees. Could be leading to some isolated power outages, but not the strongest wind event we have seen here within the past couple of years. Rain and wind as we head for tomorrow, 57. Similar story temperature-wise on Tuesday as those showers linger, at least for the first half of the day. Wednesday, we got more of a partly mostly cloudy sky as low pressure still lingers just off to the east. As we head for the end of the week, high temperatures in the 50s. A little bit more seasonable next weekend. Could see some late day showers on Sunday. But aside from that, Molly, a nice drier stretch for the second half of the week after we get rid of this long duration storm.